Black. Yeah, back again. Somebody said, what about America? You know what I mean? And I said, America, everywhere have them problems, right? Everywhere have them problems. Every country, every state, every parish have them problems. You get what I'm saying? But well, me not like I said before, I said it, I'm not telling you not to go. You feel me? I'm not saying America is perfect. I'm not saying England is perfect. I'm not saying, you know, all these other places are perfect and Jamaica is just the worst. No, Jamaica is a very nice place. But do a lot of things need to change? Do a lot of things, yeah. The violence is, yeah, it's ridiculous, bro. Like, here's what I'm saying. And to me, just the territorial thing about it. If you're, I don't know, say, I'm not from no other parish. I never really got to explore the whole of Jamaica. But me, just I tell you, so I would love to go back to where I'm from. See? Yeah, I like Orchard. I go a couple places. I like Orchard. I like Negril. I've never been to Negril. I like, you know, Montego Bay. I like Manchester. I like these other places. But me, would I like to go back to where me come from and feel comfortable? That's what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying? Me not try to compare. Say, right? Yeah. Me that like the freedom when me have. You see how me I drive? And me can go up on any block and I feel like, oh damn, I'm not turn down yourself no car. I don't know how I go on. You know what I mean? That will probably, you know, put out something in a road or something and man I pray, man. You know what I mean? Man, and I say, yo, you know? Yeah, they got that control in Jamaica. Where me come from. Let's say that. See? Yeah. Where me come from, them have them control there, brother. See? Pothole, a lot of pothole down there where you can't even drive past fast. You see what I say? So, you know, like I said, I don't want to be losing train of thought. Yeah, like I say, America to me, you can just get up in my car and just feel free, bro. Just feel free, I can move around, do what I want to do. But anywhere I feel like, I can go up on any end to go look for a girl, go check one of my friends. And I say, yo, yes, you have places where you can't go and, you know, supposed to. But it's definitely different, bro. Nobody not just go see and just randomly. You have to be in things. They're not just gonna, people are really just randomly just say, yeah man, you know what I mean? I've never seen that. Yes, have that happened? Yes. Random people? Yes. The closest place to that, to me, how I felt a little bit like that was when we go out to Cali. You go out to Cali, can't rock no red, no full red, nothing. Can't rock no full blue, nothing. You have to rock blue, no white or freaking, you know, some other colors. You know what I mean? Cause them, yeah, for them gang culture is deep. You feel me? So it's like, yeah, that's the only. And then I guess certain hoods, yeah, they might ask you where you from, but like I said, I still, you know, move around. I still, move around in them places. You know what I mean? So it's like, to me, brother, if we can go through, like when we go to like I said, I don't care who wanna say anything, or I don't care what y'all feel. I went to Guyana, bro. Saying me and my baby mother went to Guyana, bro. Listen, man. We at the house. We want to go cook something. Want to feel that island feeling. Even though Guyana is not an island, it's, you know, it's in South America, but it has everything like what Jamaica have, like the, you know what I mean, the coconut tree, the neesberry, the soursop, all of them things. It got everything. if I bring you downtown Guyana, you would think like, oh, you would think, yo, am I in Jamaica, downtown Kingston? If I cover up your eyes and bring you down there, you would be saying that. You feel me? Everything look the same. Same colonizers. You know what I mean? So, yeah, you know, you get what I'm saying? So it's like, brother, to me, and it's say, what about America, right? I say, what about America? Everybody, everywhere have them problems. Saying? You understand what I mean? And I'm going to talk about what problems I have with America. Saying? But to me, it's not safety. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to sit here and tell you, say, America is this big, dangerous place. Not to me. Not from my experiences. Yes, things happen, but it's not dangerous to me like how I feel like when I'm in Jamaica. And argue with more until they come argue with me and tell me say America, where people will know America and live in America, come tell me say America dangerous like Jamaica or feel dangerous like America, bro. You could get up and go about your business when you feel like. You get what I'm saying? And go wherever you feel like going. You feel me? It's not territorial. You see me? Like me said, minus that them place that in like California, bro, where them shit is deep rooted gang shit. You know what I mean? But yeah, black. I'm out. Catch me on the next video. Blacker than black. Renzo Talks.